What's up, guys? B-Rob here, and today I have a quick protein breakfast tip for you. This one is protein cereal. I'll be right back. Yes, sir, you heard correct, or yes, ma'am, you heard correct. I have a quick tip for you, and I think you guys love it. Maybe you've heard of this before. If you have, thank you for bearing with me and listening to it again. But I have stumbled upon something that hopefully it helps you. And basically, it is a protein, a nice, quick, convenient, high protein and carb way for you to have breakfast, an easy breakfast. And so basically what it consists of is it consists of Chex cereal. You can use peanut butter, you can use chocolate, and I just recently stumbled upon cinnamon, but for this video I actually used chocolate for it. And so you mix up a protein shake. So you pour your cereal in the bowl, you mix up your protein shake like you would if you were going to drink it. Now the protein that I recommend you use is vanilla, but of course you could use chocolate. And you want to choose a protein powder that has a really good vanilla flavoring, because the one that I actually chose for this video wasn't the best choice. Since then, I have used another one, and I'll make sure I post that video right here. So you'll see a pop-up right here of that protein powder. I actually have done a video for that protein powder. So you should see that pop up right here. So you just shake it up, pour it into your cereal, and you have yourself a really good post-workout meal, but you have a meal for when you need good protein. So make sure that your protein shake has the protein that you would normally eat in a meal like this. So you have your good protein in the shake, and you have your carbs in the cereal, and you have exactly what you need to repair for your next workout, right? So hopefully this tip helps you. Hopefully this video helped you put it together. And thank you for tuning in. Please follow me on social media. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. This is B-Rob.